Welcome back to my channel. Today we have GlitzGlamBox. This is for the month of June. So yeah, if you don't know already, this is a monthly subscription box that costs $15 per month. And it always includes a pair of lashes, so if you're into lashes, you're going to like this box. And I always think they send you a really good value. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So the inside here, we've got the card. And of course on the back side, the items and the prices, which, yeah, okay. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the box. Everything always comes beautifully packaged like so. And if you are looking to support a woman of color business, this is one, and I highly recommend it. I really enjoy everything they've been sending me. Okay, I am super excited about what I am seeing. Okay, first off, we've got these lashes. The lashes are called Never Basic by GlitzGlamBox, and these are retail for $12. And then we have some 3D diamond glitter that retails for $5. I'm gonna take this out and see if we can look at it a little bit. Okay, this is shade Congeniality. I'm gonna try to open it just so you can see the glitters. Okay, I'm not gonna tilt this because, well, maybe I will. Can you see it? Oops, that's why I was afraid. Anyways, that is the color. Super pretty. And I really love this little diamond container it comes in. I think that's really cute too. Alright, the next item is Hikari Matte Lip Gloss in shade Devoted. Now, I've reviewed a palette by Hikari before. I will have that linked above and in the description below. And I loved the palette, so... And I've never tried their lip colors before. I really have no thoughts on that yet, but that is the lip color. That is a shade I'll use too. Okay, there is the lip color there. I think that's really nice. All right, and the lip color here retails for $15. And the last thing in the box is a palette called Be a Queen 16 eyeshadow palette by Bombshell Cosmetics, and that is that. And this retails for $28. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, that has a really nice color range. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those and be right back. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. Now they did swatch really beautifully, very creamy, very smooth. So the formula feels great so far. Really impressed by that. I will probably come back in another video and do a first impressions try on of this palette. So if you want to see me attempt to put 16 shades on my eyeballs, that will be in an upcoming video. But other than that, that is it in this box here, and I think it retailed for about 50 bucks, and you only pay 15, which I still think is a good deal. And these products I think are really good because I can honestly say I would wear all of this. I would definitely play with all of this. This is, to me, a really good deal. Anyways, that is it of this video. Let me know what your favorite item is below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.